the car of buggies. God, I hate bugs. I hate bugs. I hate bugs. I hate bugs, motherfucker. Ow. Wake up, my neighbors! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so hi everybody. I'm gonna say hi, and the wheel's coming. Hey everybody, I'm going to rinse the box of my car because I need to go with the wheel, but I'm not going to. Yeah. When people are actually thinking that this is going to be like some serious video with good quality content creation, fuck you, it's not. No, motherfucker. Turn the other way. Thank you. Hello, neighbor. Yes, hello. I'm not even gonna wash my car. Yes, ding dong, zingity zong. So, I'm not even gonna wash the car properly. I just need to. My phone betrayed me. I have suspension. Fuck you. Stay so. Okay, so I am actually. This is gonna be the most exciting vlog for everyone. I've done like 2 minutes of talking, where it's just gonna be gibberish. Okay. You would actually think that this would be like an outtake video. This is the actual vlog. No. How do people do it? I'm not gonna tape my phone. Drop that on me again, and I'm content creation with ADHD. So seriously, I am going to the car wash. I'm not even gonna properly wash my car. I am just, because it's raining. If you see the weather and you're actually thinking that I'm gonna wash the car because it's shiny and bright outside, God is doing the pee-pee on my soul and the rest of the world. So no, it's not gonna be a really shiny tutorial on how to clean your car. I am just gonna remove some bugs from the car because these motherfuckers, that's a policeman. But you turned off your engine and you putting petrol in your car. Like, you can't touch me today. No. I am not sorry for you people, you peasants. Okay, so welcome to Quality Content with Kim. You tune into the wrong fucking channel if you're expecting this. I am going to wash the car and remove the box. It's raining, it's dreadful outside, and you are wondering why the fuck would you wash your car? Well, then you're on the wrong channel, because if that doesn't make sense to you, my entire content won't make sense to you. I'm going to remove the box of my car because the car is going to be outside tomorrow for the entire day. It's going to be sunny, and I'm leaving at 4 o'clock at night, meaning I won't have any time to remove those pesky little bugs of the car paint. And what happens if you have like a dead bug, sun, car paint, that's what's gonna happen. It's just gonna be, and that's just not what we want, because we need our car paint to be clean and spotless. So when I bring my car to a detailer, he needs to believe, oh, that's not as bad. Well, in actuality, he hasn't met me yet. No, seriously. This is just me imagining putting this whole video online. And y'all be thinking like, Jesus God, woman, for the love of motherfucking God, tell me what this video is about. I did 30 times and I still am sitting in my car talking to a phone. Okay, so seriously, for the 100th time, there's a bird. ADHD with Kim. Woohoo! I have some really cool products, and those have been a lifesaver for my paints. How this actually came about is gonna be really easy. I'm gonna tell you really quick. Just they reached out to me, and I was looking to get some box spray, and I was actually looking to get like a whole package of certain types of products that would be like a problem solver for me. Everybody that knows my content knows that I wash my car 2 to 3 times a week in the summer easily. I like my paint to be pristine, I like my paint to be clean, and my opinion is if there's going to be dirt, you don't always have to touch the paint in order to wash. Just remove the dirt by actually going to a car wash. Don't touch the paint with your hands with a mitt, but just remove in between, and the time that you will actually put in to properly wash your car is gonna be so much easier. It's gonna protect the paint because you don't get any scratches on it. And this car has been driven, I would say 50,000 kilometers, and there's still no holograms or like, of course they're gonna be like little tiny scratches. It hasn't been polished. You'll get a video from the detailer where he will show like a before and after. I'll ask him to do so because I'm that annoying. And it's gonna be a Sunday morning. There's gonna be one car wash open, and I want to actually show you these 2 products because I'm gonna spray it on. I'm gonna do it as a combination. So this is like my own invention with these products. There are some products from the line that I think is okay. It's not gonna be massive, it's not gonna be great. I will order time and time and time and time and time again, because I've been washing cars for 15 years, and this combination is like leave it on, rinse it off, just do a little bit, make sure the paint's clear, use a wash mitt, and it's gone. Even if I leave the box on for, let's say, 2 to 3 days with some sun, it's like gone. What? This blew my mind. So, on this rainy little Sunday morning, I am going to wake everybody up with my whoa, 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 bang, and then we're gonna do Germany. And filming content is that if you film somebody who doesn't want to be filmed, you actually can get a lawsuit. It's police. Do you hear little beep beep? It's police. It's good for my ADHD because I get distracted even more than I do so now. Okay, so we're gonna see if I can actually videotape with me applying the product, or it's just gonna be like some close-up. You're just gonna have to accept what I'm gonna give you, okay? It's just gonna be what it's gonna be. There's one. Why are there actually people in the car park on a Sunday? I thought I was the only idiot. I am not the only one in the car park. So we're first gonna vacuum the car. Just a little bit. And maybe I will have some time to show you the products. Wait, I can show you one. Professional. I know the bugs are dead, but if you spray this on, it's like they never lived. Bye, motherfucker. Bye. So I actually did vacuum a little bit of the car. And now it's time to put her into the car wash area. How do you all park front first? Why don't you just reverse park? Like, what? I never do this. This is the last time I'm gonna do it. I fucking hate doing this. No. People who go in front first are people who are too scared to park, my opinion. Oh, you're gonna hate me for this, but I don't care. Did I lie? Did I lie? Like, what? Hands down, my favorite products I tested so far. Wheel clean is coming up next, and I'm gonna show you more like in-depth and a bit more quality style video. But this is me as well. This is a regular girl with a car that's gonna wash her car and is gonna do all the silly things. Hi. Fuck you. I did everything you can imagine in a car wash, except for the things you're imagining now. No, like actually properly washing your car, to making stupid mistakes, from trying all different sides of. I mean, I did my wheel cleaner on my windows. I did it on everything from the black trims to whatever, just to see what it would do. So what you're seeing there's actually what you're getting. It's so good. It's you can use it if you have never washed your car and you're gonna be a first-time user. You can use it if you're a detailer and you have certain types of cars where either the paint is really sensitive or you just want to try something new. Definitely recommend. If you think that I need to test something else, tell me which one is better, and I'll tell you if I used it, if I tried it, because to 80% I would say tried it, tested, done it. There are other products that are really good as well. This is going to be my favorite combination, hands down.